What if I told you I made a luxury perfume commercial? Character, product, everything, without a camera, an actor, or a single day of filming. I built it from scratch inside one AI tool, start to finish. And by the end of this video, you'll see exactly how it turned out, including the part that genuinely surprised me. Quick disclosure, this is a collaboration with UGCvideo AI, and I earn a commission if you sign up through my link. But this is my own real testing, glitches included. Let's build it. I wanted to answer one question. Can one AI tool really create an entire commercial from scratch? I signed up, got 30 free credits instantly, plus 30 more after my first generation. Most AI tools make you switch between different apps. One for the character, one for the product, another for the final video. This one tries to do everything in one place. First step, the character. I clicked on the UGC character tool, selected Start from an image, and uploaded a reference photo of myself. I gave it a name, hit generate, and waited a few seconds. That's decent, recognizable, but not a perfect match. I tried a second method. I switched to the UGC image tool, attached the same photo under Add Character, picked the GPT Image 2 model, and typed out a scene description. A dark, warm desk setup, black shirt, confident expression. Hit generate again. That's surprisingly close. Honestly better than I expected. And each of these generations only cost 1 credit, meaning you can test different approaches and reuse the same character for every future ad without hiring a creator each time. Next, the product. I opened the UGC image tool again, this time with no character attached, and just typed a full description. A matte black bottle, brushed gold cap, the name Kairos Noir engraved on it, moody studio lighting with smoke. Hit generate, and waited about 10 seconds. Hold on, that genuinely looks like a real studio product shoot. Studio lighting, smoke effect, gold detailing, all from a text description. And once this exists, it's reusable too. No product photo shoot needed for the next ad. Now the interesting part, combining the two. I opened the UGCvideo tool, selected the Cdance 2.0 model, attached my character, then uploaded the perfume bottle as the reference product image. I wrote out the scene. Character picks up the bottle, sprays it, reacts, and talks to camera. Turn sound on, set it to 9:16, and hit generate. This one took around 4 minutes to render.
This is Kairos Noir. I've worn it for a week. It's become my favorite scent for evenings out.
The voice and lip sync came through clearly once I simplified my script into short, clear sentences. My first attempt was a bit mumbled because the sentence was too long and complex. This clip cost around 80 credits, and that's actually the most expensive part of the whole process, which is not what I expected. By the way, if you want to follow this exact workflow, my link's in the description. I'll leave it there if you want to try it yourself. Now for the actual payoff, the UGC Add Video tool. I uploaded the bottle image as the product reference, selected my saved character as the influencer, picked a voice from the library, wrote a short scene description, and hit generate. This time it only took about a minute.
The same basic cologne. You need this. This is Kairos Noir. Just smelling it. Wow. One spray and you get this rich, bold aroma.
Wait, it added captions automatically? This is a 31-second, fully edited ad, and it only cost 20 credits. Less than the single 8-second clip I made right before it. That's the better value, and it means you can pump out multiple ad variations without running out of credits fast. It cut between multiple angles on its own, and honestly looked like a real short-form ad you'd scroll past on Instagram. Now, was it perfect? Not quite. And there's a tip here worth remembering. I actually tested this side by side. First, I used a side-facing reference photo, and the result wasn't great. Hand glitches showed up. Then I tried it again on purpose with a clean front-facing photo instead, the one you saw earlier. And that's when it turned out impressive. The hand movement and lip sync were spot on. So here's the tip. If you're trying this yourself, always start with a clear, front-facing reference photo. Do that, and the results hold up well. Use a side-angle shot instead, and you're more likely to run into these small glitches. Hands, fingers, sometimes even lighting. Outside of that, character consistency held up well across every scene, and the final ad genuinely looked usable. So that's a full UGC ad. Character, product, and final video, built entirely inside UGCvideo AI, without a camera or a single day of filming. Character consistency held up well across every scene, and the final ad genuinely looked usable. And that's not even everything. There are a couple more tools in here like motion sync and talking video that I didn't get into today. If you want to explore those yourself, the link's in the description. So that's a full UGC ad. Character, product, and final video, built entirely inside UGCvideo AI, without a camera or a single day of filming. A few months ago, something like this would have needed a camera, an actor, product photography, and a real budget. Now it's something one person can build in a single afternoon. If this saves you the trouble of figuring it out yourself, do me a favor and hit like. It genuinely helps this channel. If you want to try this exact workflow yourself, the link is below. You'll get the free credit bonus when you sign up. And if you want honest, no-fluff AI tool breakdowns every week, subscribe. I test these tools so you don't have to. For 20 cents, I honestly wasn't expecting something this usable. If AI keeps improving at this pace, product ads are going to look very different a year from now. I'll see you in the next one.
This is Kaios Noir. I've worn it for a week. It's become my favorite scent for evenings out.
Stop wearing the same basic cologne. You need this. This is Kairos Noir. Just smelling it,